fine. So this video series is all about Excel. So I'm going to name it Lightspeed Excel because yeah, Excel can help you achieve data tasks, and even people who are not actually in data analytics, they also can use Excel in a multitude of areas. So, and there are very so easy to use functions in Excel. So today we'll just use the fill function. Fill is going to be very handy for each and every person who is actually into reporting, into clerical jobs, into analytics, not into analytics, into anything, or you just want to play around with Excel. So before I jump there, just a request, guys, please do subscribe. While you're watching the video, just takes a second, please do subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell icon. So let's jump to the video now. The first thing, we'll just go to the numbers and we'll see how can we flash fill. So suppose I want to fill like 1 and I want to continue for 1, and then suppose I need 20 ones. I can do it. What I did is just I'll press Ctrl Z. I'll go to, I just type to 1 and I just got here in the small bottom right corner, and there I'll just left click the mouse and drag it below. That's it. So easy. Now you might be asking, what do I do with ones? You might be needing it. You can use it as a flag. Okay, now let's not go there. Our agenda is simple. So suppose I want to type 1 to 10 or 1 to 30 even, or 1 to 28. So just type the first two. Okay, it gives Excel how to go about it, and then you drag it. There you go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till 19. Now that was easy, right? So what do we do? And go ahead and make a series. So number was number here, and now if I just go ahead and make a series here, so series as in an arithmetic progression maybe. So suppose I want to go like 1, then 3, then 5, so on. So first write 1, then go to 3 and come here, select the two boxes, again bottom right corner of the two boxes, and just click and drag. See, 1 3 5 7 9 11 13, so on. It's easy. Now can we do the same with dates? Yes, we can. Moving on with dates, it's pretty much easier. So you just need to type in the first one, and I can create, like, suppose I just want to go 11-March-2022. So it's 11 March 2022, and just select the first one, go to the bottom right corner and click and drag 11th to 29th of March, and simply and very fast. Now let us try with text. In text it will get repeated. So suppose you want to write hello, and I want to write like this, and I want to copy hello multiple times. So I'll just pull it, and that's it. You get a repetition. You can use this thing in filling in columns of data and filling in columns of Excels, or films in you can create flags out of it, and you can concatenate this data and so on. There is no limit of the possibilities that you can actually achieve with Excel. Now we'll go to text and number. What if I try and I say hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4? Can I do it? Let's try it. Hello 1, then hello, and I space 2. Okay, now let me select both of them. The same procedure. We'll just go here and we'll drag. So see, we got hello 1 till hello 19. So guys, till that time, just practice this once or twice, and this will get into your muscle memory. So easy. So before we end this video, kindly and please do subscribe, share. If you have any questions related to Excel, Python, or whatever tools you need, just comment it below. Tada, bye bye, sayonara.